In every successful cloud transformation, one thing is essential: a clear and well-structured architecture. Architecture diagrams are the language that connects engineers, security teams, project managers, and business stakeholders. When created effectively, they communicate how a solution is designed, secured, and delivered. Many professionals still create diagrams manually. That process is slow, difficult to maintain, and often leads to outdated documentation. As architectures evolve, keeping diagrams and design documents current becomes a challenge. Modern engineering teams solve this by treating architecture the same way they treat infrastructure as code. In this masterclass, you will learn how to use Python to generate professional cloud architecture diagrams automatically. Rather than drawing components by hand, you define your architecture in code. The result is a repeatable, version-controlled, and scalable approach to producing enterprise diagrams. No prior programming experience is required. The lesson explains how to get the Python code, so you can focus on understanding the architecture rather than learning software development. Throughout the course, you will build architecture diagrams for Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud, DevSecOps pipelines and zero-trust security architectures, AI and machine learning platforms, and multi-cloud enterprise solutions. These are the same types of diagrams used in architecture reviews, security assessments, and executive presentations. You will also learn how to convert your diagrams into professional solution design documents. This includes executive summaries, problem statements, and solution statements, business and technical requirements, and high-level and low-level designs, security architecture and controls, and data protection and encryption strategies, logging, monitoring, and disaster recovery, risks, assumptions, and implementation plans. These templates are suitable for stakeholder approvals, governance reviews, and client deliverables. This course is designed for cloud and solutions architects, cloud security engineers, DevOps engineers, and enterprise architects, IT consultants, and students preparing for technical careers. Your enrollment includes one-on-one lessons and ready-to-use code templates, enterprise reference architectures and HLD and LLD document templates, hands-on labs, and a capstone project. Architecture as code is a practical skill that enables you to produce professional, repeatable, and maintainable architectural deliverables. If you want to create enterprise diagrams and stakeholder-ready design documents with confidence, this course will provide the templates, examples, and guidance to help you do it. Enroll today and start building architecture the way modern engineering teams do.